Hello, hello. Ah, good morning, good morning. Okay, so I didn't have time to even open the project in like a week. Actually, like yeah, project was there, open on my computer, but didn't have time to even look at it for a week. Oh damn, these weeks are insanely busy. Anyway, so yeah, we're pretty much the same place we were last week. Only difference is that right now I changed the assets. Uh, all the assets that you see right there are mine. Most of them are like from my previous project. Um, Actually, that project is not done. I should finish it one day. Anyway, yeah, so they are gonna be included in the tutorial, which is nice. Yeah. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much where I am. I'm just gonna finish all these things, like placing stuff all around, just so it works in the game without the other one. So I'm just gonna quickly like uh, replace the assets with good ones. That one can be scaled a little bit more, maybe. Well, I don't know. Something like that. It doesn't really matter that much. As long as it's inside the tiles, it should be good. Here we go. I might want to have like another wall here. I'm doing it like super lazy right now. What do I have? Maybe I have other meshes somewhere that I didn't use. I have that wall that I didn't use. So I can use that one, I guess. I guess I can like add a column on the side or something. Yeah, sure, whatever. Sounds good. So I'm just gonna put the wall in there. Actually, yeah, maybe I'm not even gonna need to. I don't know. That one looks weird. Maybe alone. So maybe if I add like two columns on the sides, might be good. I don't know, something like that maybe. I can maybe scale it up a little bit. Yeah, it's a little bit big. I don't know, something like that. A little bit thicker. I don't know, something like that. How does it look without collisions? Sure. Let's say it's good. I'm just gonna add some material on top of that. So for that, I'm just like using basic colors. And I'm applying them to the mesh, like something like this. Maybe that one there. Yeah, sure, good enough. That's not pretty, but yeah, sure. Yeah, no, it doesn't look that great. Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. Anyway, I just want to do it fast because it's not gonna be my main objective of the day. Maybe with those two like on the sides. Oopsie, not that. One. Sure, maybe I can like scale it down like that a little bit. Sure, that can be a wall. Yeah, not great, but okay, good. Gonna assign the colors to that one too. That one here, that one there, and there too. Yeah, that sounds good. It's about right. Or even maybe I can put blue instead. Eh. Okay, so we have the walls. I'm just gonna show the collisions again. This is good, this is good, this is good. I don't have anything here, so I can put something else there. That's good. That's good. everything else seems all right, I guess. Yeah, everything else seems fine. So I just have to add another something here. I could copy paste the wall for now. Or maybe, I don't know, planks. I don't know how it's gonna look. Well, let's see. So let's see. If I put that like this, something like that. Sure. How does that look? Meh. It's pretty meh. Maybe I can just add another tree though here, something like that. I can rotate it a little bit. Maybe something like that. Can remove the tiles. Something like this. Something like that, and then sure. Totally makes sense. Oh yeah, maybe I could even like put it that way. So then it's not something like sure, that looks so good. Good enough for now. Either that or I could like one of these maybe. I feel lazy right now, so I guess that's good enough for now. Okay, so I guess we have the level here. Sure, these ones here though, we cannot go there. I remember my collisions, so maybe I could like, I don't know, for now, like something like that. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty. Woo, sorry for that. Damn, that's loud. Oh, okay. Okay. What do I do here? I could just like add a cube, a random big cube that nobody can step on because, you know, big cubes, too big. So maybe I could do like something like that. Maybe that one, scale it big. Something like this, and then that one can be a little bit taller, so let's 1.5. Sure, and add some colors to that. So maybe one orange one and a yellow one. Sure, that looks alright. Yeah, I guess I should do that here too. Will make more sense than that. Sometimes thinking too much is useless. So that's one tall one, and maybe we can have like a tiny one after that here. Now it looks like I have like a weird shape thing. Sure. I'm not gonna keep that one maybe. And let's see. Something like that. No, it looks like I need something there though. What if I just put it like sideways like that? Would that work? See, that's what that one should. Like that maybe. Something like that. Here we go. Yeah, I guess I could like replace these by cubes. Oh, whatever. We'll see later. Maybe just wanna have a different color than the other one. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so now we can check, make sure with the blocking that everything works. So these are good. Okay. Now I just want to make sure that none of these have collisions enabled. So I'm just gonna select everything, go in the collision preset, no collision, and all this stuff. Probably gonna group that in the folder. I'm gonna call it stuff because why not? There we go. And I'm gonna do the same thing here. Collision preset, no collisions. The bridge can go with the other bridges, I guess. There we go. All these cubes don't really matter. Sure, good enough. Okay, so now everything should back to normal, I guess. The blocking should handle the collisions. So stuff should be able to walk around, and they are not. Okay, that's nice. The navigation is not built. Why? Navigation. Okay. Navigation, good. Should be alright. That's a weird shape, but whatever. Okay. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so everything seems to work. I should probably... Oh, yeah, there's something missing here, for sure. I'm just gonna check. That one looks like that one doesn't have any collision on it. Huh. That one doesn't either. These ones either. What the hell? Is it normal? I don't know. Maybe it is normal. But I want them to have collisions, I guess. So I'm just gonna throw something. And what I'm gonna do is set collision enabled. Boop, boop. I'm gonna select. This is gonna be a bool. Promote to variable. Enable collision. If true, we're gonna set it to physics and query, I guess. And otherwise, I think the default was query only. Here we go. That should be good. Okay, so now this is a ground, so that should be fine, but all the other big obstacles can select right there. That one's ground, that's fine, that one's ground. Oh, I messed up my cubes here, so I'm gonna change them back. Change that one. Okay, I think I have everything. Enable collisions. I don't know why it didn't regenerate the nav, so we're gonna regenerate it ourselves by like moving it or something. It doesn't seem to work. That's odd. Collision enabled, all dynamic. If I put it to all static, maybe no. Block the visibility? No, not these. I guess I can block. Okay, so I have to block the pawn for it to work. Okay, I guess. Or like... The pawn, physics body, no. Vehicle, yeah, sure, whatever. And then destructible, no. I guess pawn should be fine. Yep, so I'm gonna go. Make sure that it's blocking the pawn. Maybe it's gonna work. Okay. Seems alright. Now just wanna make sure that if I disable collision, it still affects the navigation. Oh damn, that's annoying. Okay, that's not good. So what would be the best solution for that? I could use the collision in my objects, but we have a bunch of modifiers, so then I can probably do set collision response to channel. So it will be like pawn, block, or ignore. Something like that. So if the collision is enabled, we want to block the pawn, otherwise we ignore the pawn. Maybe that's gonna work. We'll see. That didn't work. Huh. Why though? That doesn't do anything. So looks like it doesn't really work. That's not cool. Okay, so I guess that's not the solution then. How can we do that actually? Okay, so let's see. By default it's a wall dynamic, query only, and doesn't block the pawn. That's good. Now I want them to be enabled. Can I enable them? Just put back, and let's see what happens in game. Can I eject? Look at the navigation. Yeah, it's a mess. Okay. Maybe it's because of the maybe because they are that's weird here. Why do they that one's no collision though. But this is working. This seems to work. This is good. That one doesn't. These ones are good. There's something I don't understand. Because these, okay, so it was not regenerated during runtime. So this one is good for some reason. Yeah, because it's breaking the pawn. That one is not breaking the pawn here. Okay, so that's not good. How do I make them block the navigation? Ignore everything. Right. That's weird. It looks like all of these were set. Not correctly. And I don't want to go through all of them. I don't know why it broke everything. That's odd. There's also the step condition. Hey, hello. Thanks for the tips last week. I started a project tutorial in a different way. Just for now, when you're watching. Now I feel like I'm free. Hey, good. Awesome. Happy for you. Nice, nice, nice. So what, you started like doing your own thing on your side? Or just like improving what they were showing and stuff? It's pretty nice. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, I clearly have a collision problem though. Isn't there like a dynamic obstacle or something for the nav mesh and stuff? For dynamic nav mesh. How does it, is it called? It's runtime generation static. Dynamic? Works, but I don't know why though. What if I just change this here? Put it back. That doesn't do anything. Okay, this one should not block anything until I press play, and then it's not still not working. Yeah. Okay, that one should be good then. If I do that, no, and then play, no, still not working. That's good. That's bad. I mean, yep. I don't understand. Yep, so that's not good. And it just broke everything in my scene for some reason. Yeah, now I watch the tutorials, and only after I watch, I start to implement it. Then I do what I saw, and project was implemented after a very simple game. Nice, nice, good job. That's nice. Yeah, and you're gonna see like it's gonna spike super fast, like pretty fast, I think. Like you're gonna start improving a lot super quickly. Takes a bit at the beginning and then you go, ooh. Actually, that was for me, but I mean, I think that most people does that. And it did the same when I started like doing Rubik's Cube, random stuff like that. Like you start to learn something, it's super slow, but then once you get the twist, it just goes super fast. Yep. Yeah, good job. I don't want to go through all my cubes and change them manually. It's super annoying. I don't know why though. It should have worked. I start to just copy everything I see in tutorials all the time. Could do it, but it feels weird. Yeah. Yeah. Copying things it feels easy at the beginning, but yeah. I don't feel like you're learning that much when you do that. But you have to start somewhere, so it makes sense at the beginning, but then like you have to go on your own. But yeah, good. I don't understand. Once it's enabled, it's not disableable? Huh, that's weird though. So pawn, ignore if false. No physics collision if false. That's not working. That's weird, should work. So we'll see. I'm just gonna print out what's happening. Oopsie, I don't want to do that. Okay. So we have this new cube here. It says ignore and query only. Block collision enabled, so that makes sense. But when it says ignore and query only, it sets it to both here. And it's not going back to ignore. That's weird. Let's say, like, I'm gonna put that to no collisions and nothing, like no blocking anything. Gonna enable the collision. It didn't work. And then disable them. Yeah, it didn't change anything. It's weird. So it's like the changes I make in the scene are overriding the changes. Okay, what if I just put that in begin play? Boom. Let's see what it does. Okay. So there's nothing here, but that one should have been collision enabled. So it really doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Let's try something else actually. We're gonna change the parent class to be a static mesh actor. There we go. Which gonna have the cube in here. Was it the same cube? I don't remember. It was just cube. And the material was this one. There we go. I'm gonna hide this cube because this one is the real one. And I'm gonna do that there. And the cube, I'm gonna put that to like no collision. Actually, that one should be back to custom collisions. This one's gonna be a wall dynamic whatever. That's what it was before. Query only. Ignore everything. But was it the ground? It was overlap the ground, block the line of sight. Overlap the ground, block the line of sight. Okay, and that's it. So these are the defaults. No collisions by default, so that's good. Yeah, so that should work. So then if let's start with that. Okay. I have one problem now. The color doesn't seem to work. For some reason. Is it because the cube is visible? Oh yeah, it's the cube. The cube's the problem. Goodbye cube and end game. Okay, so now... Ah, damn no, I can't do that. Because of the transform, it's in the middle. Yeah, that's not good either. Okay, gonna cancel all that. It's probably gonna crash. Or not. Yeah. Now it's in a weird state, I think. Oof. Yeah, my Unreal's not happy. Okay, let's see. I have my cube. This one's trash. I cannot delete it. Okay, it's gone. Good, 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 good. So now it's all back. Okay, so that didn't work. Okay, so because I'm lazy, oh no, I don't want to do that. I want to have a real solution though. What can we do with the collisions on that thing? Can we set something? We can set that, but that's not useful. Gonna check why the collision doesn't work in the construction script. It should work though, but it doesn't. That's a bug in the engine. Should be fixed in the next one. Okay. So set collision enable not working. Should be fixed in 427. Oh, that's not good. That's not good. But people are saying that should work in the Big and Play, which is not the case right now, I think. So enable collision on this one. So if it really works on Big and Play, that should block the collision. Should block right here, but it doesn't seem to do it. I'm just gonna not hide it on the Big and Play just to make sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna check cube here. So it should block the physics and everything. So that should affect the navigation, but it doesn't. It should affect the navigation right here. It should. So maybe this can be changed in the project setting. What is navigation mesh? Force rebuild and load. No, sure, I don't want that, I guess. Runtime generation, might do it dynamic just to see. Okay, so that works. But I just want it to be like once. That's the problem, because right now it's gonna regenerate every time I do something. How can we runtime regenerate mesh? Yeah, that's not that great. Yeah, I don't like that. Okay, so because it's stupidly annoying, I'm gonna remove that. Here we go. And we're gonna set all of them manually. So these are good. This one's not. So I guess that's the only one that doesn't work properly. So I'm just gonna do that. So I guess that's it. That one's done. Done. That one's good. These cubes are not in the right place. I'm gonna move the cubes. Can I lock here? There we go. And sure. So maybe I'm gonna change that one to be one high to not that direction, this direction. Sure. And I'm gonna have like the other one here to be 1.5. So it should be good. It's not nice, but whatever. It's not the final art anyway. It's just because I want to do something else today. Okay, that seems good enough. Okay, this one seems to work. Good. Okay, so now I don't know why this is happening though. Character can step on. The difference between yes and no doesn't do much. Light map, navigation. Navnash will not be generated on the surface of the geometry. Okay, that's good. Does that work on everything? Maybe that's just what I should do. I'm gonna try that. So let's see if it ignores that. Okay, no, it still does that. Okay, never mind. Good. So if I do that on all the volume, should be good. Just gonna go change that. There we go. Looks a little bit cleaner, but I still like have the top there. That should not be the case. That's weird that it generates on top, but whatever, I guess it may be normal. Yeah. Yeah. Is there something else in navigation? No. Okay, good enough. Is there something here that generate overlap events? No. Yeah, I guess it's all right. Oh, I could change everything here instead of the project setting. I don't know why. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So it should be good now. Just make sure that everything's good. These are broken for some reason. I don't know why though. Just testing the navigation. Make sure everything's good. Okay, they clearly don't walk fast enough in the world. So I'm just gonna change that because it's not fun per unit. Actually, it's just gonna be in the unit base. Yeah, in the unit base I'm gonna change the default walk speed, and then in the player unit I'm gonna in the enemy unit I can slow them down maybe? I don't know. Speed. No. Speed. Set max walk speed. I don't know. 500 maybe. This should be a variable instead of that, but whatever. I'm lazy. Sure. That's faster. Okay. So that's good. That one doesn't block anything. That's all right. They don't seem to bug that much. So I guess that's good. That's good enough for me. Oh, that's a weird one. That one I have to delete that one. Okay, I'm just gonna delete that one. And maybe I can just change the walk speed. Maybe I can just do it in the character movement though. So I don't know why I would do that here. That doesn't make any sense. Unless like it's set somewhere else, but I don't think it is. Yeah, it's clearly not. So we're just gonna delete that. Ooh. There we go. And the character movement. Max acceleration, sure. Where's the move speed? Speed. Max walk speed. 600. So now I guess my units are like super fast now. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Sure, that seems good. It's clearly wrong, but whatever. They clearly not walk fast enough. Okay, so I can just go maybe change the animation speed and make them walk fast. Just gonna see if it works. Where's the walk animation? Here. So I have the animation there. So what if I just like put this to 1? Is this gonna work a little bit better? Oh well, that's actually better. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Ranger, walk, back to 1. And priest 2. And then I guess for the enemy units I can just make them slower. So what I'm gonna do is open the enemy blueprint and just change the walk speed, max walk speed to like 300. And the acceleration is way too fast though. So I can put that like to 500. Requested move, use acceleration. Sure, we'll see. Yeah, maybe I don't need acceleration. I guess I don't need acceleration, it's all good. That one's broken. Yeah. I think I need to check where the units are trying to go. Enemy group. Move enemies to random location. Draw debug sphere. We're gonna do that. Actually, I have to do this if I don't want to have bad data. It's gonna be a 10 for duration of like 20 seconds. I guess thickness 5 doesn't matter. They're bright red. Okay, I want to hide the collisions too. Grid modifiers, cube, There we go. Okay, that one's weird. That doesn't make sense. Can I see navigation there? Yeah, it doesn't make sense. It's trying to get... Yeah, they are trying to get out of the map. What the hell? Get get random reachable point in radius, maybe? That will make more sense. 2 more I'm the one. I'm probably gonna need nav data though. Or not. Does that make more sense? I think it does. Yeah, there's still a weird one on the left there. Another weird one. Yeah, it doesn't always work though. Oh, okay, no, that's not where I should put that. I should put it here. So get a random location here, and then I also want another random location that makes more sense. Yeah, there we go. So now it should be all good. Okay, let's just make sure that there's no broken navigation. The group on the left is pretty bad, and the group on the right too. Top. There are actually just like two groups that are moving correctly. The other ones are not really moving correctly for some reason. Like this one, it's not moving at all. Wow, it's lagging so bad. I don't know why these are not good. So which one is never going, never moving? I guess that one. The one there's nothing happening there. That's weird. Okay. These ones are still broken. Maybe. Or not. That's weird because now these seems pretty good. That one's alright. That one didn't move for a while. Why the hell? I don't know why they will not move. It's weird. Which group was that? Enemy group. Nope, 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 nope. 6. Enemy group 6. That's weird. Should have worked. I can always like add a safety check to make sure. Yeah, instead of like waiting for everything to be done moving, maybe I can wait just a few seconds and then switch again. That would make more sense a little bit. I could probably do something like that, yeah. Sounds good. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is set timer by event. Actually, maybe I just want a repeating event. Custom event move enemies over time. after a few seconds. Whatever. It's more move enemies every few seconds. It's like a slower tick. That's pretty much what I want. So this one I might wanna have like a random floating range, something like between, let's say, 2 seconds per move, and let's say like 10, maybe 2 seconds not enough, like maybe 4, something like that. So that's gonna be called every time. So then what I want to do is this. If it's not in combat, if it is in combat, what we're gonna do is just move few seconds. Either that, or maybe I can assign like on combat ended. Yeah, on combat ended, I'm just gonna do that. So that should be good. So I don't want to do that. And then I just want to move the enemies in the random location. Here we go. So I might just remove this. And I think that's it. Let's do that. So now I have a few seconds. Everybody's gonna move. That's not working because I'm never calling that event. Maybe at the end. Move enemy to random location. That's not what I want to call. It's move every few seconds. Boom. Let's do that. Now every few seconds, the enemies should move with a delay between 4 and 10 seconds. So yeah, even if they break, should still work. That didn't work actually. Is it because... Yep, this is not called. Because I want the event to call itself. Here we go. Okay. That looks actually good. In that way, it will never break, I think. I don't think it will break actually. So yeah, if I go there, start a combat, surrender. And then the enemies are moving, these are moving too. Oh wow, my FPS is so slow. Yeah, so everything seems good now. So they are not breaking anymore. Whoa, except that bad word. Yeah, okay, so now they can move in the world by themselves. It's all nice and cute and clean. Great, 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 great. Okay. Maybe I can just like do that. It's gonna be more obvious that something's happening here, since it's not like a normal function. Like when you have a function that calls itself, it's better to make it obvious. Here we go. Here we go. So I've started the timer, check if it's not in combat. If it's the case, we're gonna do that. And then when the combat is finished, it's gonna call that function again, which is gonna restart the loop. And this is starting the loop at the beginning of the game. So I can delete all that. And I can probably like remove a bunch of crap. Create event. I'm gonna delete that thing. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so now we have them moving in the world in a better way, more stable. Now the combat AI. That's gonna be a little bit more complex. Okay, so now I have to spawn the real unit instead of spawning that. So there's probably like somewhere I can set all the save all the data from unit type. So let's say it's gonna select the class from the unit type. So. Maybe I could collapse all that. Doesn't matter much, but maybe. So we can just like collapse this, I think. Promote collapse the function. Oh, come on. Collapse to function. Okay. We're gonna do it ourselves then. Spawn new enemy. Actually, yeah. Not really. Yeah. More like spawn enemy group. Whatever. So at the beginning, we're gonna like clear the previous ones, and that's odd. The create event doesn't work. That should work. Yeah. Ah, damn. I don't remember what was the event though. Unovered. Find unovered. I don't know why that was not possible to copy them. Okay. Unreal sometimes. Okay. Spawn enemy group. That's good. So here we're gonna spawn the enemy group. And then once they're done, we're gonna start that. It looks a little bit cleaner. In the spawn enemy group, I'm gonna promote that to local variable. Group. Whatever. Actually, it's more an unit. Yeah. So it's more unit. So that's gonna be the unit. That do you wanna spawn? Hey, come on, come here. Unit stats. Here we go. Can probably like just have function library maybe in the units. We can have that. We can probably move a bunch of stuff in there also. Yep. Okay. Actor, BFL. What the hell did I do? Blueprint function library, BFL, units, whatever. And this function here is gonna get enemy AI class of unit type, something like that. Maybe up from whatever. So we're gonna return PP enemy. and a class reference. There we go. And as input is gonna be unit type. There we go. Unit type enemy AI class. We're gonna switch and we're gonna do it. So that way it's gonna spawn a different enemy AI every time. For now, it's just gonna spawn the enemy just to make sure that it doesn't break anything. That function can be pure for sure. Okay. So this one, if I break it, get enemy class from unit type. Here we go. There we go. Could either do that or like have completely different components. But I don't have anything in my enemy, I think, other than just a play term. So I guess that's good. If I do that like this. Yeah, it's pretty much just the enemy class. That's pretty much it. Yeah, I guess that's good. Okay. So now, yeah, and then like it has everything it needs already there. So that should be good. Okay. Actually, I might just do a bit of cleaning first. So I'm just gonna open source tree and submit my stuff. Wow, it's opening so slow. If it is actually opening. Okay, it's here. Good. So it's gonna be like, what did I do? Like art and navigation, navmesh, whatever. Art and navmesh. Sounds good. Okay, good. Now I might reorganize a bit of things here. So, utilities, whatever. Utilities, I'm just gonna move these things there. I think the M unit is not used anymore anyway, it doesn't matter. Reference viewer, just want to check. In the unit base, I still have that. I'm gonna check why. So, because I still have my cones, I'm gonna just make sure that I am not referencing them anywhere, which I do here. But I think that's it. So now... Okay, so I'm gonna change these also. Here we go. Okay. Oh, I want those two in the utilities, so probably gonna do that. I'm just gonna make sure everything's clean. Yeah, it's getting messy there. Yeah, that's gonna be a big project. Why is this used? Shouldn't be used anywhere. Oh, there is selected function though. That one's changed a little bit. I'm gonna check if this material here supports it. Come on. Why the hell? What the hell? The mesh is clearly there. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go check. I want to see the material. Which one am I'm using, like just the colors. There's a multiplier, so I can just like set the multiplier to like whatever. Sounds good. That's what I'm gonna do. So mesh set scalar, it's already done. There we go. Multiplier. Select. I prefer the other way. But okay, true. We're gonna set it to like 3 or something, and then false gonna be back to 1. Yeah, it's not gonna work. I think it's not gonna work. Because they have the same value, so even if this one is selected or that one or whatever, it's not selected for real anyway. So we're just gonna go back here in the colors. Art. These are useless. These were just when I imported stuff. Goodbye. And these are my assets. This is not useful anymore. I don't know if that one's used. I don't think it is actually. Is it? In new art. Why though? That should not be used. Delete. Okay, it's underground. Meh, I don't care about the ground. I'm gonna put any other color on it. So we're gonna have like multiple multiplier, I guess. Second first multiplier. There we go. Or maybe like just multiply. Because it's faster to write. Second multiply, first multiply. Let's do that. It's gonna recompile everything, which is not good, but whatever. Okay, my ground is now dead, so I'm just gonna respawn it. There we go. Darker gray. Whatever, doesn't match. That doesn't matter that much. Whatever. Yeah, sure, good enough. Okay. Now I'm just gonna search in all my blueprints for multiplier. That one. So this is gonna be second multiply, and that one first multiply, I guess. So 1 to 2.5. Sure, good enough. Where was the other one? That one. So 1 to 2. Sure, let's double it. So when it's over and over n, yeah. So now I have like a little bit above the other ones, yeah. Okay, I guess that's good. Okay. Oh, my enemies are... where's the enemy group? I'm just gonna remove this. Here we go, here we go. Now that this works, I don't need... there we go. Okay. Good, good, good. Unit HP more. Okay. So now I have a few things here. I want to add a few things in there also. In the unit base, there are a few things in the construction script, I think, that I want to change. Yeah, these two. I want to move them in there. So get unit mesh of unit type, get unit anim blueprint from type. I think that's what it was. Yep. So the mesh is going to be this. Mesh. There we go. And for the anim blueprint, it's going to be that. Anim blueprint. That's a little weird though. Anim instance class. That should be good. Warrior, ranger, priest, slime, chicken, bear. Here we go. Good. So now I just want to test it out. So I have to get anim blueprint of unit type. There we go. Get mesh. Here we go. So that sounds good. That looks a little bit cleaner, and everything's in the same place. So that's good. Okay. Now. Can we do the AI, I guess? Am I at that point yet? God damn it. Okay, so I move. Everybody's moving. Guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, they took their time. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bridge. There we go. Sure. The tactical mode is broken. I have to fix it, which is gonna take me like 2 seconds. So that's good. Doesn't matter. So now I can just like stab them, and they are not doing anything. Like if it's the slime's turn, it's just skipping its turn, or not. Oh wait, okay, that's me. Okay, I'm not sure about the color. And the blue is the slime. That's a bit weird. I have to change these pictures too. But that's gonna be after. That's a bit weird though. Okay. So I might actually just remove the color here. It might break stuff. It will break stuff because I know that it's used. There. Can you please, thank you. Show me where the problem is. It's right there. So I'm just gonna put a comment box around that and just put everything like orange for now. Doesn't matter much. Okay, good. And I think that's it. I think it's the only place that the color was used. I'm just gonna fix red rectangles. Okay. Is that one used? I think that one's not used anymore. Yeah, I don't care. Goodbye. Yeah, it was even using it. Good, good, good. Okay, so now I have all the meshes and stuff. So, you can have like enemy AI, something like that. That one's gonna be the base of the enemy base. Just to be cute. So here we go. So I have the enemy base. And then which mean that if I create a child, it's gonna be PP enemy slime. Here we go. We're gonna start easy with the slime. Something like that. Unit type, I am gonna put it to the slime, just for visual reference, I guess. I don't actually understand why the icon is not working, but that doesn't matter, I guess. Yeah, exactly. I don't want that. Whatever. Oh yes, I'm gonna fix the tactical mode. So I don't actually remember. I think it's in the combat manager. Will make sense, I guess. Tactical mode. Tactical. Actually, I'm just gonna search for L art. What was the name? L art. Yeah. Oh. Ah, it's right here. L new art. What was the? Okay, that's empty by default, so that's not good. I'm just gonna article name art. There we go. So that should fix the tactical mode. So if I attack them, okay, that's one error, but that's fine. Bunch of errors, but at least the tactical mode now looks good. Okay, we're just gonna go fix that. The color is not good, so I'm just gonna put that to red, or whatever. Like everything is called comment, I guess. That, yeah. Okay. That seems good. Okay. Good. Okay. So I guess that's all right. Okay. So, about the AI now. Am I there? So, for now, the enemy plays turn, call turn completed after 0.5 seconds. So this is the default behavior, which is not going to be used. So in the slime, good boy, override, I want to override the play turn event, which is somewhere there. How did event play turn? Sorry, event play turn. Here we go. So now we have to do the AI. And just to make sure, we are not calling the parent. We are not calling it. So now what I can do is just like in the utilities in the function library, the enemy AI for slime, just go select it. So now it's gonna spawn the enemy AI, which is this one. And it's not gonna work because there's no logic in there. So how am I supposed to do that? I'm just gonna display the parent variables. I want to see everything. So I have all these variables that are useful. Maybe I can get the grid, get that. What is find path? Okay. So that's gonna be the first step. So the slime is gonna be like super simple. Just move towards the first enemy it finds, like the closest one, and attack it. Move first, attack. That's it. That's gonna be all. So custom. So it's gonna be like move, and then attack. And then once the attack is done, like after that, whatever. That's it. So first step is move. Actually, I might actually like event AI move, event AI attack. I move, no, move. There we go. And then after the move, it's gonna attack. But first we have to find the path. So get closest. Is there? Don't think, or maybe closest. What was the name of that thing? We're gonna go back in Combat Manager. I know the time. There's like a way to rotate the units. Maybe they are just in the unit. Look at closest enemy. Find another unit in combat. That's it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So we're gonna find another unit in combat. We're gonna closest with the Pathfinder. There we go. So this is the closest unit. Enemy only. Get tile. Index. Get grid index. Target. The start tile is gonna be the current tile. Move in combat. The max length is gonna be 3. Actually, no, it's the amount of movement points, which are combat stat, brick. Movement point current. There we go. Units that does not plug the path is that one. There we go. And the start tile is gonna be the grid index. So from here, go there, and then move. I don't know if that's gonna work. With valid tile types, we need the valid tile types. There we go. Something like that. And then event attack. Actually, it's on move completed. So click on play. We have to call the parent function. Move in combat. Okay, we're gonna check if there's something in the unit that gives me access to when the unit stops moving. Move in wild, I don't care. Move in combat. Doop. So combat moving. Set the grid index, modify, call it again. Okay. So here I can just like call another event that says like move in combat completed. Custom event move complete, move in combat. Or maybe just can probably do that. Or maybe the unit combat state changed. Yeah, no. Move in. We're gonna call that. That's not really the best way to do it, but that should be good enough. Or maybe is it better with a function on an event or something? And maybe that's gonna work for now, and then we'll see. Or maybe just an event. Go for that, just an event this time. Move in combat. child. Or actually, if I do that, okay, no, that's the cleanest way to do it, so I think. So we're gonna use an event dispatcher, even though it's on children, but whatever, it's gonna be good enough, I guess. Okay, so assign and move in combat completed. There we go. Just gonna create event here. Move in combat. Where is it? On unit move in combat completed. There we go. So when the unit move in combat is completed, we're gonna attack. Oh, okay, something like that. So there we go. That should be good if it works. Not sure it's gonna work though. Not sure the AI pathfinding, the pathfinding is gonna work in that case, but whatever, we'll see. So now the slime should have a different AI behavior than everything else. So where's the slime? The slime is that one. And okay, that's me. Okay, that's kind of alright, I guess. Yeah. So it's not blocking the path, but it has to remove the last tiles if it's the same as this one though. Because right now it's going on top of me, which is not good. So in the path, we're just gonna remove that one. So that should be good enough so the slime doesn't go through my unit. Okay. Okay, the slime are not doing shit. Why though? That one could go there, and this one could go here. Okay, there's something wrong with my slime. So we're just gonna enter until I get the slime. Okay, I got the slime. The path is empty. Okay, so because I'm not able to reach. Okay, so maybe if it's not reachable, what do we do? We could return the best way to go there. Because right now, let's see. If I fail, I guess that's what it does. No. If the distance. Okay, so maybe the reachable should be the option that I want to use. Not sure though. Not sure. We'll see. We'll see. Let's see. I have one slime there. I don't know where it is though. Okay. Yep, that's exactly what I thought would work. Okay. Okay, that's not the best way. Mm-hmm. So maybe even if the path is not complete, we still want to use it though. Um, yeah, that one might not be good. So how do we know? Because if there's no path at all possible, is there a way to find one that will make sense? How do I do that? So if right now, if my AI is not returning anything, let's say if it doesn't work, it's not able to reach the target, it's gonna return all the reachable tiles. And if it's the case, what do we want? We want to find in the reachable the closest to the target and go there. I guess that's the option. So, so we can just get the reachables, remove the target, and then what I can do is find the closest in these and pathfind to that one, go there, and I guess that kind of makes sense. It's not perfect, but whatever. Can probably just do that. Yeah. So probably all yeah. All the enemy units are gonna need that function, I think. Or it's probably something in the grid, I guess. So we can probably like just have a function somewhere. Yeah, can probably like get closest tile. Array. Whatever. So we can have like two inputs. It's gonna be like target index which is gonna be a 2D vector, and it's gonna be an 2D vector again, but an array. Possible. This is whatever. Okay. Get closest index from array, whatever. Okay. And so that's probably what I'm gonna need. If I go back here, get closest index from array. There we go. And target index. This is getting messy, but whatever. Okay. For all these protocol variable closest or maybe the closest can be target, I guess. If it's invalid, yeah, sure, whatever. And I want the distance. That one's gonna be infinite. Pick distance. Get distance between two tiles. So that one and that one. If the distance is smaller, then actually that one, that's gonna be an int. Is this the real distance? No. Oh, that's not done. Oh, okay, that's not good. Whatever. So get the closest distance. And if it's the case, the closest, that one becomes the closest. The distance becomes that. And then we return the closest. Closest index. Okay, so if I go back in my unit, can we save that? Thank you. So sure. We're gonna pathfind a second time, or maybe not. Maybe I can just like pathfind once, but if it doesn't work, then I have to pathfind twice, so that's not good. So I can just like pathfind a second time. So it's either 1 or 3 times. Yeah, whatever. Okay, so that's a start. Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean all that and put that in function. Something like that. This. That's good. I can remove that again. That's good. And then this is the path. That should kind of work. Okay. Target tile is the closest index. Okay. So now I should have the slimes moving in combat. Can I have a bunch of slimes in one group? I don't know, whatever. One slime's good enough. So that one's gonna chase me, I guess. Slime? Slime? Why are you not doing anything? And turn, and turn, and turn. Okay. The pad's empty. Wide. So I have that one that gives me a bunch of stuff. I remove the target, that's good. Then the current index is that one. So that's the start index, target index. Max length should be the same length as that one. That's weird. So that's not giving me anything. That doesn't make sense. So 6, 17, 11, 17. It should be in the reachables if it's there. It's not there. What? 11, 17 was not even in the choice. Oh, maybe it is, yeah. Okay. That's weird though. Where's the path empty? Okay, I'm just gonna add it here. Gonna do it again. 617. It's from start. Target 1117. This is 617. What? 617. The grid index 617. There's a problem here. It's like the unit is already on 617. Doesn't mean that doesn't make sense. And the closest would be 1117. That doesn't make sense at all. So it's removing 617. The array was empty for some reason. 617 goes to 617. I don't want to use pathfinding, or do I? That's weird. That doesn't make sense. Let's see. Gotta move this there, and turn that one move here, and then turn that one move there, and turn. That one's not doing anything. Element 14, 617, element 14, 617. What the? Okay, there's clearly something wrong in there. Yeah, it's just the debug that is broken, I'm sure. Something like that. So 6 9 to 11 9, which sounds good. So it's 6 9 7 8 9 10 11. Makes sense. So that's good. So the further it can go there, which is 2 tiles away from that one, so that should be the new target. So 6 9 11 9, that's, it's not able to reach 11 9. Six nine. What is that? It was 6 9, which is this one. 7 8 9 11. That's good. So he wants to go there. Okay. And then remove. It's not removing 6 9. It's removing the other one, but whatever. And then find the closest to that one, which should be good. Okay, there's clearly something wrong in there. Okay. Before removing, then closest index. Before removing again. Something like that. Remove the breakpoint and go test it out. There's clearly something wrong. Okay, so 6 3 wants to go to 10 3. 10 3, 10 3, 10 3. Again. 6 2, 10 2, 10 2, 10 2, 10 2. Okay. The closest index will be 10 2, which doesn't make sense because it's not in the reachables. Or is it? No, it's not. What the? Okay, we're gonna make it goes to function. Get that. Whatever. Okay. So target. I hate that. Target unit. So this is the unit. Actually, that's not gonna be like a... Okay. So we're gonna find a target unit. Okay, so I have my target unit. Then I want to get the path to that target unit. Okay. Yeah, it's a mess here. Okay. Keep that there. Redo it. Cleaner. Okay. So target unit here. Index there. Okay. So that's good. we find the path from the grid index to the target unit's grid index. The maximum length is that. We want everything, exclude the target. So that's good. So these are the reachables. Okay, so the reachables we're gonna remove. We're gonna remove the target because we don't want to be able to go there. So from all these reachables, we're gonna find the closest one to the target. So we're gonna cut that on the grid. The array is the reachables and the target is the target. There we go. Okay, that's the thing, is the closest. I don't want it to be the target. Ah, that's why. Here we go. I found the problem. So yeah, the closest I want it to be invalid. So I know what's the problem. Here we go. That was painful. Okay, so then we do another find path. Boom. To that closest one instead of the target unit. There we go. I don't want the reachables right now. I want all the possible tiles. And then I want to return the path like that. Boom. Path. And then we move. Oh, okay. That was a bit annoying, but sure. Let's see how it goes. Can I, okay, slime is going there. Another slime moved here. The other slime is moving. So when they are not able to get anything, it's all right too. I guess they are just not moving, so that's good. Okay, that's good. So now if I move like all the way over there, this one, I guess can go here. Okay. This one goes here. They shouldn't be able to walk there though. Anyway, I'll just set it down. Okay, so what are they gonna do now? That one goes here. And this one, oh yeah, this one is not able to walk here, so that's why. Is it gonna work if I do that? No, it's not, because it's not able to go there. So, so then in the grid there's one little problem with the reachables. Reachables are everything in there. So it should be good then. That's weird. I don't know why the logic is not working. That's good, that's good. In the reachables, that area is gonna be empty, it doesn't matter. And I don't need to remove it because it's not the case. Because it's never gonna be valid. So get all the reachables. And then get the closest to the target. Find a path to there. Okay. Let's see if that change fixed the bug, even though I don't think it did. Pretty sure it did not actually. Or maybe it did. Did it? Huh. I think it did. Okay, never mind. That's good. Okay. Okay, good. Got a big one. Okay, so now I have moving slime. That logic is not that great, but whatever. And once the move is done, I want to get the targetable tiles, check if the unit's in there, and if it is, yep, that's it. So, so that's it. Okay. So, how does it work with the player? Oh well, yeah, that's the annoying part. Since I didn't touch the project in a while, I don't remember most things. So set the selected spell. Thanks for watching. Any tips on creating unique log files name for development purposes? Usually the unique for unique file names, you usually use the date. So it's like 2021, and then you add like the month, so 04, and then the date. And then usually what I do, like I separate it, and then I add like the time, like the hours, minutes, and seconds. So like let's say it's 16, so it's 4 p.m. 52, and then like the seconds or whatever, so 05. So that will be like the usual way. So then you can like sort them. I don't know if that's what you mean. So it would be like log, yeah, probably like log file, blah blah. I don't know, something, just to have like the description of the file if you have any file, and then like yeah, it's like year, or actually like you don't need 4 years, but yeah, month, day, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, to create files in Blueprint, I don't know if it's already there actually. File. I don't know if there's a way. Maybe there is. I don't think Unreal give that possibility by default. Annoyingly. Sync files, no. Like write file or I don't know if there's any of that. I don't think so. You're gonna have like to use C++ to create a function or something. That's just annoying. File. Either that or I think it's just available in the editor for some reason. Sync file revert, checkout. Yeah, it doesn't seem to work. Let's see if I go there. Right, save. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have any like file. Maybe there's a plugin for that. I don't know if there's like a file manager or something. Blueprint file utilities. Yeah, no problem, no problem. But yeah, I think write analytical, no. Maybe that plugin can be useful. You quit the engine and restart it to generate a log file. Oh yeah, that's a bit annoying. Actually, like yeah, if you want to do it like during gameplay, you can probably just use a save file. Like just save your game, kinda, but that's not gonna be a game. That's just gonna be your log. Yeah, I don't know. Blueprint file utilities. I don't know how good is. Oh, it should have that in there, I think. Oh yeah, true. Save files are not readable. Yeah. I created my last time I did that, I just created my own tool, like convert the file. Copy file, delete, find, make, no. Like if you like I think that will be the plugin. Actually, no, it's not really the plugin. It's just like the file utils functions. They don't have anything about writing into files. It's just like copy, delete, like managing files. Yeah, this can be useful, but plugin. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think there's like a way you can download the plugin though. Yeah. Is this that one? Yeah, it's like the Victory plugin is the best for those things. I don't know if you mind installing a plugin, like using a plugin that is not on the Epic Store. That's the only weird thing about it, but the Victory plugin is the best. So it's available for 426, so that can be good for you if you're using for the 26. But yeah, the Victory plugin, it's pretty simple to install if the plugin works. So sometimes like there's not Victory plugin, it's not on Epic Store. It seems good, but I want to. Yeah. Yeah, that's the annoying part, is that you have to wait for it. And same thing for the plugins. If you're like if you're using the ones that are on the Epic Store, you still have to wait, because not all the plugins are going to be available like the next day. That's for sure. But that one, I don't know how long it usually takes, but it's a pretty good plugin. Like it comes back pretty fast, I think. Yeah. But yeah, otherwise, like, yeah, I think you're gonna have to code it yourself, sadly. It's not hard to do, but it's just that you're gonna have to have like a plugin. But then like you have to have C++ and everything, like Visual Studio, do the whole setup, which if you have a Blueprint plugin, it's not that great. Blueprint project only. But yeah. No, it's fine. I'm here for that. But yeah, good luck. Sorry, bad news, but yeah, it's not nice. I think it's weird that they don't even like have it in Blutility. It should be. Everything should be available in Blutility. I don't know why it's not. Maybe there's something like a file. Text. Nope. Yeah, it doesn't seem to have anything file related. Yeah. Yep. So yeah, good luck. Sorry. Where was I? Not actually remember. Oh yeah, I was trying to get all. I'm casting a spell. Select spell. Selected unit. Set selected spell. Set selected spell. I don't actually care about that, but it's more the casting part. So I was in the right place then. No. Even graph. Blueprint component spell casting, which is, I don't know where. I guess it's on the combat manager. Yep, combat manager. Selected unit. That can be done. So that should be good. So to cast a spell, I guess I can just like cast a spell. here, and then whatever delay and whatever. So get the combat manager. Nope. Combat manager. PVC spell casting. So there we go. Then I want to cast it to self. I mean, I'm the one casting it. The spell, well, let's say I have a melee attack right now, and the target index is gonna be the target unit index. Something like that. And I'm not sure it's gonna work though. So cast a spell. What's the action there? So cast a spell. Boom. So do that. And then it's a re-off effect. I don't care. Critical hit. HP from the sky. Indexes. Hit by spells. Okay, so we have to figure out first if that spell can attack that tile. Because right now, like, I'm sure it's gonna look weird. There we go. So combat. And turn. Move, attack, attack. Oh, that worked. Unexpectedly. Okay, so if I move here. Ouchie. Okay, I'm gonna move there. So now the slimes are not gonna be able to go to reach a target, but they're still attacking it, so that's not good. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. At least that works. So, is there a way to? That's weird. So okay, because right now the only thing is setting the over tiles. I guess that's my not sure I understand. How does that work, actually? Set over tile. Oh, okay, because I'm using that. That's why. Okay. So okay, so here displacement, nope. Index is valid as a spell selected. As a spell selected. Okay. So this is our select a spell, which is not good in that case. So let's select that spell. Get range. Oh, that sounds good. Okay, please work. So slime, boom. There we go. So we're gonna check if it contains the tile that we want. And if it does, we're gonna cast it. So spell name is gonna be the melee attack by default. Why not? The origin index is gonna be just a grid index, actually. Grid index. There we go. Contains the target index. So if the tile is in range, attack. And then we're gonna wait and do stuff. So we're just gonna make it cleaner, something like that. Sequence. There we go. So if the target can be attacked, here we go. That should be like a basic behavior that should work. Okay, that one was not able to attack me. That slime is just stupid. I have one stupid slime. That one attacking me, that's good. Okay, I have to fix that slime problem, but whatever. Okay, so that makes more sense. Now the slime is moving. It's gonna chase me, I guess. Yeah. Yep, that's not good though. Oh, it can go that way. Yay. Okay. So now the slimes are able to attack me. That's good. And I think that... yeah, that deserves a break. So I'm just gonna be back soon, I guess. I have to go refill water. Yep. Okay. So be right back. Hey, I'm back. But actually, just set a time, and I think I'm gonna have to go. Yep. So yeah, I guess we did the slime and a bunch of different things. But that's a start, I guess. Yeah. And my slime is stupid, I guess. That's the downside, but whatever. Yeah. And actually, just wanna origin index required line of sight. Yeah, no, that's not. Yeah, no, that's not what I want. That's just gonna do it for me. Yeah, okay, that's good. Can cast spell. Can unit cast spell? Is there the action point in there? Yes, there is. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, before leaving, one last little thing. Self the spell. The hell? I don't want the reference here. Thank you. So, on that, in my slime, my spell is gonna be a melee attack. So what we're gonna do is, if so maybe something like that first. So what we do is check if we have a target. If we do, we check if the unit can cast a spell. If it does, it casts the spell. Then wait. Then it's gonna go back there until it can't cast the spell anymore. Which in like 99% of the cases gonna be always good. And then once it can't cast the spell anymore, I'm just gonna enter. And if I cannot cast any spell, I'm gonna enter. So that's it. So now let's say if the spell that the slime is gonna cast has not that many action point cost, which I guess I'm gonna check. So the cost is action point 3. So I'm sure that the slimes have 6. I'm sure-ish. So we'll see if the slime can move. Cannot attack me, so that's good. Let's see if I go here. Which one's gonna attack first? Oh, that one. Okay. Oh, it's not attacking me? That's odd. Okay, why can't the slime cast it? Oh, because maybe in my slime... yeah, in my slime, when I spawn it... where is it? The enemy spawner thingy? Unit themes? No. No, that's not... I don't want that. I want this one. Enemy group. Enemy group to spawn. Yep, so the tile types. So available spells can have... Whoa. Unreal, come on. The melee attack. Here we go. For the slime, it's gonna have the melee attack. And actually for the bat, I want it to be flying, which is good. So now Should be alright, I guess. Yeah, now the slime is beating my ass. I really wonder which unit is gonna be it if we surround the slime. So that left one has the priority. That's interesting. Damn. Okay, that was weird, but sure, let's do that. And then this one here is gonna have the priority. That was weird. Okay, so my target unit is still wrong. That's weird. Slime. Yeah, I move. So it looks like my unit is not updated properly. That's weird. Loop unit not equal to self and alive, I guess. State not equal to combat dead. That's not really the best way to fix that though. So it's probably that the grid index is wrong, but whatever. Actually, yeah, no, when the unit dies, it should change the grid index. So I'm just gonna go check that real quick. When I move in combat, I'm setting the grid index. So when I die in combat, I'm setting the grid index. That's weird though. So then, should be good. Actually, that was not called properly. Is that clamped? I think that's clamped, yes. Then it died in combat. Get unit state not equal to dead in combat. Cannot kill a unit that's already dead, I guess. Not that it changes that much. But yeah, it should remove it from the list though. So my loop is not that great then, because yeah, the slime AI is not very good. Yeah, 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 yeah. Because it should be, can hit something. Guess hit, no, move, and then it's like, can hit something. Yes, hit, no, move again. Enough. AP. Yes. If yes, it does that. All that stuff. Nope. If not, skip turn. Yeah. Or actually can maybe move first, but whatever. Can it something? Yes, no, move. Enough AP, whatever. Can move. Yes, move. No, skip turn. Sure. So that will be like the loop. And it's not the case right now. Oh damn. Okay, so I might have to rework a bunch of stuff. Move the loop over here. Yeah. Yep. Okay. But it's gonna have to wait for next time, I guess. Because that's not good. That's not good. And also, I don't understand why that's not working great. Bug here if unit is dead. Yeah. Unit target dead. Change target like somewhere after the attack here. Something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to rework a bunch of stuff in there. But whatever, it's gonna be for next time. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're having a good day. And I'm gonna see you next time. Trying to finish this as fast as I can so we can start the videos, tutorials and stuff pretty soon. But I've been extremely busy, so I'm doing my best. Sorry. Anyway, so see you next time. Bye-bye.